Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So let us continue with the review of algebra, review problems. Now, for those who want to solve the problems in this video, you can do so, but you have to pause the video so that you can compare your answers with the provided answers here with the solutions. And that's good habit so that you will little by little improve your algebraic skills. So perform the indicated operations, removing any grouping symbols and simplifying the result to a convenient form. There are, I think, 15 exercises in this video, and I hope that you can answer all of them with confidence, including factoring. So for problem 1, the LCD is 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 10 divided by 1 is 10. So this is quantity 2h minus 3 times 2 minus 3 times 10 minus quantity 4h minus 7 times 1. So 2h minus 3 quantity times 2 minus 3 times 10 minus quantity 4h minus 7 times 1 all over 10. Simplifying, we have 4h minus 6 minus 30 minus 4h plus 7 all over 10. So we can cancel 4h. Negative 6 minus 30 plus 7 is negative 29 over 10. So the final answer is negative 29 over 10. For the second part, the LCD is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is equal to negative 2a times 4 plus 2 times 12 minus quantity 4a minus 7 times 1 all over 12. Simplifying, negative 8a plus 24 minus 4a plus 7 over 12. So combining, we have 31 minus 12a over 12. So let's make the final answer in that form. That's the convenient form, 31 minus 12a over 12. For the next problem, the LCD for the constants, it's 2 times 2 squared times 3, so 12. For the variable x, it's x squared, and for the variable y, it's y squared. So 12x squared y squared, the LCD. So this would be b times 6xy. 12x squared y squared divided by 2xy is 6xy minus c times 4x squared, then plus d times 3y squared all over 12x squared y squared. So equals b times 6xy minus c times 4x squared plus d times 3y squared all over 12x squared y squared. So simplifying, the answer is 6bxy minus 4cx squared plus 3dy squared all over 12x squared y squared. For the next problem, the LCD is for the constant, it's 12. For x, it's x squared. For y, it's y cubed. Then 12x squared y cubed divided by 4x squared y is 3y squared. So this is quantity 2 minus 3x times 3y squared. Then minus quantity 5 minus 3y times 12x squared y cubed divided by 3x y cubed is 4x. So again, 2 times quantity 3x, 2 minus 3x times 3y squared minus 5 minus 3y times 4x all over 12x squared y cubed. Simplifying, we have 6y squared minus 9xy squared minus 20x plus 12xy all over 12x squared y cubed. So that's it. Here we can simplify the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator is 3 times 3 minus 5 all over 3. Then the denominator is 2 times 5 plus 4 over 5. So the numerator is 4 thirds, then times the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 5 over 14. So 4 thirds times 5 over 14, and 4 is 2 square, 14 is 2 times 7. So 2 times 2 over 3 times 5 over 2 times 7, we can only cancel 2 and no more. So 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 7, 21. So the final answer is 10 over 21. Here, this is 3a times 1 or 1 times 3a minus 5 all over 3a all over 9 a square times 9 minus 25 all over 9. So we have 3a minus 5 over 3a, then times the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 9 over 9a squared minus 25. And the 9a squared minus 25 is difference of two squares, 3a quantity square minus 5 square. So we can cancel 3. So there is still 3 here. So this is 3 times 3a minus 5 all over a, then times 3a plus 5 times quantity 3a minus 5. So 3 times 3a minus 5 over a times 1 over quantity 3a plus 5 times 3a minus 5. We can cancel further 3a minus 5. So the final answer is 3 all over a quantity 3a plus 5. And I put the answer there. So 3 over a quantity 3a plus 5. For the next problem, the LCD in the numerator is x cubed. So this is 27x cubed minus b cubed over x cubed. The denominator, the LCD is bx. So 9x times x plus 3bx plus b times b. So b squared all over bx. So equals 27x cubed minus b cubed over all over x cubed all over 9 x squared plus 3bx plus b squared over bx. The numerator here is difference of two cubes, 3x quantity cube minus b cube. The factors are 3x minus b, quantity square of 3x is 9x squared, product 3bx plus 3bx, then square of b squared, all over x cubed times the reciprocal of the denominator. So equals 3x minus b, quantity 9x squared plus 3bx plus b squared all over x cubed, then all over 9x squared plus 3bx plus b squared all over bx. Since this is numerator of the numerator, numerator of the denominator, we can cancel 9x squared plus 3bx plus b squared. And we can cancel x supposedly, but let's have it written first as 3x minus b all over x cubed times reciprocal of this is bx over 1. So we can cancel x further. So the final answer is b times 3x minus b over x squared. B times 3x minus b all over x squared. So next batch of problems would be factoring. Factor y squared minus 25z squared. So we can factor this as y difference of two squares, y squared minus 5z quantity squared. So the factors are y plus 5z and y minus 5z. So recall factoring methods, difference of two squares. This is also difference of two squares. We can write this as 2z quantity square minus 3hk quantity square. So the factors are 2z plus 3hk and 2z plus minus 3hk. This one, remember first and the last terms are perfect squares. Square roots are z and 4y, and twice the product is 8yz. And since this is negative, therefore this is a perfect square trinomial. The factors are z minus 4y quantity square. This is difference of two squares, so we write this first as m square plus 9y square z square, then m square minus 9y square z square, which is again a difference of two squares. So m square quantity square minus quantity 9y square z square square. So we have difference of two squares. Factors are quantity m square plus 9y square z square and quantity m square minus 9y square z square. Since we can factor this further, because this is difference of two squares, we can factor this as m plus 3yz, then times quantity m minus 3yz. So the factored form would be quantity m square plus 9y square z square times quantity m plus 3yz, then quantity m minus 3yz. This is difference of 2 cube, a cube minus 3b quantity cube. So the factored form would be a minus 3b. So a cube minus 3b quantity cube factors are a minus 3b times a square plus 3ab plus 9b square. So remember, square the terms of the other factor would be square of a, then product plus the product regardless of the sign. So that's positive. That's plus 3ab plus product of these two terms, disregard the sign. Then the square of 3b, which is 9b square. This is sum of two cubes, 2u quantity cube plus 3v square quantity cube. So 2u quantity cube plus quantity 3v square quantity cube. So factors are 2u plus 3v square. Then the other factor would be trinomial, square of 2u, which is 4u square, then minus the product 6u v square, then plus the square of 3v square, which is 9v to the fourth. So again, the factored form would be quantity 2u plus 3v square times quantity 4u square minus 6uv square plus 9v to the fourth. Square of 3v square is 9v to the fourth. So that's it for that part. Then next we have, this is perfect square, 3y quantity square, then this is 2z square quantity square. The twice the product is 2 times 3y times 2z square is 2 times 3y times 2z square is 12yz square. So this is a perfect square trinomial. The factored form would be quantity 3y plus 2z square quantity and square. So equals quantity 3y plus 2z square square. So that's it. Then this one can be factored by trial and error. The factors of 12 are 4 and 3, negative 4 and 3, or 4 and negative 3. So we have y plus 4 and y minus 3 as factors. So y plus 4, y minus 3. So that's it for this video. I hope that those who anticipated the solutions have same answers as the ones provided here. So that's it for this video.